This is Michael Vaughn Williams, a sprinkler man with Aquamatic Irrigation. And good news is that I got the fountain working to where this fill actually works. As it turns out, it was on the controller. Someone had been doing all kinds of things with the controller. And so I worked with that, and come to find out it was on program A. They had about 5 or 6 different start times, and so that let me know that somebody was messing with the controller. But I did get that working, so now it does fill when zone 2 comes on. But the other thing I found was that zone 7 and zone 8 wouldn't come on. Zone 7 is a zone that fills another fountain. It's a small disappearing fountain. So I needed to get that one working, but also zone 8 wouldn't come on. So just to let you see how much it takes sometimes to figure some of these things out, what I ended up doing was coming to the controller, turning those 2 zones on. They wouldn't come on, but I did notice that some new concrete had been poured. And what I found was that this section right here, this concrete was poured, and it goes all the way here. So I dug around here, then I found these wires. Because I was looking for wires over here because I figured it had to go underneath the sidewalk in order to cover this side over here. Found wires there. As I kept digging back, dug back to here, found some more wires. Then I ran wires on top of the ground just to connect it to see what would work. Got 7 working, and finally I got 8 working. So you can see that is zone 8. That's a matter of touching these wires together. So what I had to do, ran wire on top of the ground from here to this side over here to test it out. I then touched these wires, and as you can see, the zone came on.